How you can remove a person from any photo by using Snapseed. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to select the photo. After this you have to click on the tools, scroll down, and here is the option of the double exposure, and now you have to click on the image, and here you have to select that same image which you add in the previous one. Once you add that image, you have to adjust this image and put it on the right side. Now you have to fill up its opacity. Once you fill the opacity of the double exposure, you have to click on the tick mark. After that you have to go on the view edit, and here you have to select the double exposure and go in its edit. Here you have to click on this edit effects. Now you have to remove or select that area which you want to remove. Once you select that area in the double exposure, you have to click on the tick mark. Going back, you have to switch off this I button. Tap on this I button in the double exposure. From this, the photo has been removed from your picture. Now you have to simply click on the tools and go on the healing, and here you have to select that area again, and after this you have to simply click on the tick, and as you can see the area has been removed. So yeah, this is how you can remove a person or anything from your photo by using Snapseed.